Salamat po. Alright. Painom ng tubig.
Saan painom din?
Ano yung mga nawa ng mga nandito? Nakita ko sa Resorts World kagabi.
Yes! We're there!
Ayun. Grabe yung solid talaga. Maraming salamat.
Saan tingin ka dito?
Grabe. Sobrang sa aking puso. Alam niyo po, maraming salamat. Ang tawag ko kasi sa mga supporters ko po ay mga angels ko. Kasi talagang gaya nga na sinabi ko, kung hindi niyo po alam, hindi niyo po ako contestero gaya ni Mariel. So, nakinig niya pero napakagaling na bata po. Ni Mariel.
Makagaling na bata.
Kaya every time
Alam
na
nila,
halos araw-araw na sumali ako sa talunan, na nagde-defend ako sa talunan halang, hindi ako masusuka sa kaba. Kasi nakikita ko yung mga rehearsals bago kami isalang lahat. Pag nakakarinig ako na sobrang yung bawang pag lalaki, ang laki-laki ng boses, talaga sa grabe. Ito yung makakalaban mo. Pwedeng mamaya, mawala na ako. Pero grabe yung pag-push sa akin sa social media ng mga angels ko. Sobrang napakalaking factor po ng sinusuportahan kayo. Kaya sobrang papasalamat ako and I will be forever grateful. Dahil hanggang ngayon, solid pa rin kayo nandiyan kahit tapos yung tawag ng tanghalan. Kasi akala ko noon, pag natapos na yung hype nung may naglalaban-laban, alam mo yun, akala ko medyo maglalaylo, pero wala eh. Sabi nila habang buhay na daw eh. Kaya itong next song ko, para po sa inyo lang. Here's a song called Forevermore. There are times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There were times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you were mine now. You were just a dream that I was new. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here forevermore. Kung ano po yung sasabay niyo, the angels stand in road. All those years I long to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you would be mine. just can't believe that you were mine. We were just a dream that I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. We'll stay Angels, maraming salamat po.
I love you, Sam!
Love you too. Alright.
Ang daya mo, Arian!
Love song this time. I'd like to give you a song by Maroon 5. Maraming salamat once again sa inyo lahat na pumunta dito para supportahan kami ni Maria at Pauline. Inalasing na pati sa mga ako ni Maria. I was so happy, I recognized the fire burning in his eyes. The careless that switched off my mind. But goodbyes, never to return again. But always in my mind. Don't make me say goodbye. Too many times before.